Language. 1. The following phrases are spoken in slow, careful speech and in fast, connected speech. Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the pronunciation of the linked sounds.
1. A. In danger of extinction. B. In danger of extinction. 2. A. Sowler or deer. B. Sowler or deer. 3. A. The mother of success. B. The mother of success. 4. A. Draw a diagram. B. Draw a diagram. 5. A. The idea of saving endangered species. B. The idea of saving endangered species.
2. Listen and repeat the following sentences spoken in fast, connected speech.
1. What can we see in the park now?
Animals in danger of extinction, like tigers or rhinoceros.
2. What's that animal? Is it a sowler or a deer?
I don't know.
3. Don't get disappointed. Try again. Failure is the mother of success.
Okay, I will.
4. I can't draw a diagram to show the increasing pollution levels. Can you help me?
Sure.
5. Your idea of saving endangered species sounds very interesting.
Thank you.